Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are looking at the theory part of the mathematics question. Today we are at question 4a, and it says solve 1 over 2 minus 3 into bracket y minus 2 equals to 2y plus 1 over 3. Now let's get to it. So we have 1 over 2 minus 3 into bracket y minus 2 equals 2y plus 1 over 3. Now the first thing we have to do, let us convert, since this is a mixed fraction, let us convert it to an improper fraction. That will now be 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1, and that gives us 9 over 2 minus 3 into y minus 2 equals 2y plus 1 over 3. Now let us convert this into a linear expression such that we will not have fraction again. So from here we can multiply this entire expression by 2. So if we multiply it by 2, multiply this by 2, this will give you 9. If we multiply this by 2, this will give us 6y minus 2. If we multiply this by 2, this will becomes 2 into 2y plus 1 over 3. There is still a problem. This is still a fraction. So let us multiply the entire expression by 3 as well. If you multiply this by 3, this becomes 27 minus 18y minus 2 equals 2 into bracket 2y plus 1. Remember, when you multiply this expression by 3, this denominator will go. So let us open this bracket that we have. 27 minus 18y plus 36 equals 4y plus 2. Let us collect the like terms such that those that has y will come together and those that does not have y will come together. So that we have 27 plus 36 minus 2 equals 4y plus 18y. So therefore this will now become 27 plus 36 minus 2. That gives us 61 equals 22y. So y can now become 61 all over 22. So we can rewrite this to be y equals, and that will give us 2 number, and that will be 17 over 22. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any other question, please feel free to put it in the comment section, and please remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.